Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an information disclosure lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is information disclosure on debug page. Solve the lab, obtain and submit the secret key environment variable. Interesting. So debug page. All right. Well, let's get going. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I would definitely appreciate that. On a debug page. So let's try causing an error again. Start there. Invalid product ID. JSON. Okay. Let's see. Home. Debug page. We need to access debug page. So target proxy, HTTP history. Let's see if there's any like comments on what there we go. PHP info. Let's do boom, 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 boom. And we're going to submit the solution. We're going to submit the secret, which should be at the bottom. Yeah, there we go. Let's inspect this. We did this for one of the labs in, I forgot which one of the labs recently, but it was something similar. It was a deserialization one, I think. Okay, so let's start writing up this script. Let me get this. Copy 3 and go Python utils create this. I'm going to copy this, paste, and then vim information disclosure in on debug page. Okay. We're going to do shop.get response. That's going to be shop.base URL plus, and let me just copy this. Boom. And then we want to extract the, let's do resp equals, and then we'll do shop or log dot info resp dot text. And we'll find out where that secret key is and then extract that. Holy cow, it's slow. There we go. So it should be towards the bottom, but it looks like it'll just be all on one line, class E. So we'll do path equals, remember R. And if I was smarter, I would just look up and class V. So I'm going to do it just like, we'll just pick one. Is it? These are the writers. I might as well look. This is the area. Secret. Come on. Secret key right there. So that. R paste capture group dot asterisk question mark. Boom. There's a space after it, so I'm going to include that. Copy, paste that. I'm going to replace this with a single quote and this with a single quote. Pattern secret equals shop dot extract text pattern resp.text log.info secret. Easy peasy. Let's make sure we get the secret and then we could submit that. We do. So shop.submit. Come on. Where's the submit utils? Site submit underscore solution. Submit underscore solution secret. And then we'll do shop dot is solved. Sweet. All right. That should be it. Solved another one. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. And goodbye.